How to fix this phone number is banned on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First thing first, what you're going to do is go to the settings of this device. So just tap on the settings of the mobile device and then we're going to scroll down until we find the option of additional settings. Here you can see the option of date and time, so just select that and make sure that the time has been set automatically, the time zone has been set automatically. After that, get back and look for the option of languages and input. Make sure that the languages are in a proper and true form. So after that, get back and select the option of region. Make sure that the region and the information that you have put are correct. After that, get back and go to the settings again and you can see the option of VPN. Scroll up and here you can see the option of VPN. So just select on that and make sure it is disabled and disconnected. Also after that you can reset the network settings as well. Now if after all this also the issue is not being solved, then what we can do is we're going to go and tap on Telegram app and then here you can see the option of uninstall. So we're going to uninstall this Telegram application. After uninstalling the application, we're going to go to the Play Store application and download and install the Telegram application again to its latest version so that any sort of glitches can be avoided and we can enjoy the latest version. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.